Have you ever wondered what secrets the dark side of the moon holds? It's a mystery that has fascinated humankind for centuries. When we talk about the dark side of the moon, we're not referring to a part of the moon that never sees the sun. Oh no, the so-called dark side gets just as much sunlight as the side we're familiar with. Then why call it the dark side, you may ask? Well, it's all about perspective. You see, the dark side of the moon is hidden from Earth. And this is due to a phenomenon called tidal locking. Essentially, the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate that it orbits Earth, meaning the same side is always facing us. The other side, the one we can't see, is what we call the dark side. So the dark side isn't really dark, it's just unseen. Fascinating, isn't it? What if I told you the unseen side of the moon looks dramatically different from the familiar face we see? Yes, the moon's far side, often erroneously referred to as the dark side, is a realm of unseen landscapes that is strikingly different from the one we're accustomed to. This hidden face of the moon is heavily cratered, much more so than the side we see. It's a testament to the moon's long history, bearing the scars of countless meteor impacts over billions of years. In stark contrast to the near side, the far side has fewer lunar maria, those dark, flat regions that give the moon its familiar man-in-the-moon appearance. These features were discovered through satellite images and lunar missions, peeling back the mystery layer by layer. Each crater, each mountain, and each barren plain offers a glimpse into the moon's past. The far side, with its rugged terrain, tells a different story of our moon's history, a story that we're only beginning to understand. The dark side of the moon has captivated our curiosity and imagination, hasn't it? This intriguing lunar terrain has been a focus of space exploration, with missions like Apollo 8, which gave us the first glimpses of the far side of the moon. China's Chang'e 4 took it a step further, touching down on the lunar surface, a feat previously unaccomplished. But it's not just scientists who are intrigued. The dark side of the moon has deeply permeated our culture, inspiring art, music, and film. Who could forget Pink Floyd's iconic album, The Dark Side of the Moon, that took us on a sonic journey, or the countless films that have used this mysterious lunar facet as a backdrop for stories of adventure and discovery. The dark side of the moon, a place unseen and unexplored, continues to intrigue and inspire us. It stands as a symbol of the unknown, a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our reach, waiting to be discovered.